Thinking of moving to Laguna Niguel and schools are important? Let's take a look at private schools in Laguna Niguel with my top two picks at the end. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. It does help my channel. And ring that little notification bell so you're notified the next time I do a video. Let's dig in. So private schools in Laguna Niguel offer a range of benefits to students and families. One of the main advantages of private schools is their smaller class size, which allows for more individualized attention and support for each of the students, resulting in a better academic performance as students are more likely to receive the help that they need to succeed. So private schools in Laguna Niguel also tend to have highly qualified and experienced teachers who are really dedicated to their students' success. Our private schools in Laguna Niguel tend to have excellent facilities and resources. Many of our private schools have state-of-the-art technology, modern classrooms, and well-equipped labs and libraries. This can only provide students with access to the latest tools, resources that they need to succeed academically. Additionally, our private schools often have strong relationships with local colleges and universities, which can provide students with the opportunity for advanced coursework, internships, and other academic experiences. So before I get to our top two recommendations, let me just say that finally, private schools in Laguna Niguel offer families a level of choice and flexibility that's not available in public schools. Families can choose a school that best fits their child's needs, whether it be a religious school, a school with a particular educational philosophy, or a school that specializes in a particular area of study. This can provide families with great control over their child's education and ensure that their child receives the support and the resources that they need. Currently, we have 16 private schools serving a little over 1,600 students, which is an average of 100 students per school in Laguna Niguel. There are 13 preschools, 9 elementary schools, and there are 3 high schools, all of them private. Let's compare that to public schools where in Laguna Niguel we serve over 4,600 students with just 9 schools. That's over 500 students per school compared to the 100 on average for private schools. In Laguna Niguel, 26% of our students attend private schools, where the national average is 10%. The average tuition for schools, private schools in Orange County at elementary grade level is $10,773 per year, while high school for tuition, private tuition in Orange County is $16,058. The two top ranked schools are quite different in Laguna Niguel, yet they complement each other. One of our 2 top rated private schools in Laguna Niguel is St. Anne's, probably considered one of the finest schools in Orange County. St. Anne's in Laguna Niguel actually started by a group of parents and opened their doors with just 113 students in 1992. St. Anne's is located just outside one of the most prestigious residential communities in the city, Ocean Ranch. It's a gated community with about 400 homes, ranging in price from about $2 million to about $10 million. The cost of tuition at St. Anne's is $13,995 a year. Today, there are 534 students at this school with an average class size of just 24 students. St. Anne's is a preschool through 8th grade, uniquely different from our second top-rated school. There are 48 teachers at St. Anne's with a ratio of about 11-1, when the national average is 13-1. Uniforms are required for the school. Our second top-rated school is Sherman Schools, originally established in 1954 in Reseda, California. They actually complement St. Anne's because they are grades 7 through 12, whereby St. Anne's is preschool through grade 8. Sherman Schools has an acceptance rate of about 70%. And tuition cost for Sherman Schools is $5,000 a year. There are currently only 58 students that attend Sherman Schools in Laguna Niguel, with just 18 teachers. The average class size at Sherman School is 9 students per classroom. Sherman Schools is a non-denominational while St. Anne's is an independent Catholic school as a foundation. There are many other outstanding private schools in the area, giving parents a wide range of educational opportunities for their kids' education. Not to mention the great public schools that we have in our city, which I'll speak of in another video. Just one more great reason to consider Laguna Niguel your next home. Please subscribe, please like, please comment. Remember to ring that notification bell so you are notified when I do other educational videos on the city of Laguna Niguel and housing. Randy Orr with Berkshire Hathaway and the Orr Group, changing lives one home at a time.